Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're here for cat videos, you're in the wrong place, but stick around, you might learn something. In today's video, we're diving into escaping the rat race. What school failed to teach you about money? Newsflash, it is not how to make the world's best paper airplane. While not everyone can control their circumstances, being aware of these habits might give you an edge on your journey to financial success. Think of it as leveling up in the game of life. Many of you are on your way to achieving financial success, so we've compiled a list of habits that might be holding you back. And no, binge watching Netflix isn't one of them. Take these points with a grain of salt. They are meant to provoke thought about your current situation and inspire self-improvement, or at least give you something to ponder while you're stuck in traffic. Whenever we create a video like this, some viewers might take offense. But hey, if you're not offending someone, are you even trying? Keep in mind that I am only the messenger, and these are not necessarily my opinions. So, don't shoot the messenger, unless it is as a cast member for a movie shoot on the set at Tyler Perry Studios. Remember to do your research before considering anyone else's views. Because let's face it, the internet is full of experts. While you're busy criticizing, the true achievers take notes and look for areas to improve in their own lives. So, grab a pen and let's get started. Part 1, the reality of debt. Buckle up, it's about to get real. Americans now hold the highest credit card debt in history. Congratulations, everyone. We've won the debt Olympics. This indicates that we haven't learned from past mistakes, as debt remains an invisible burden for the most vulnerable. It's like a ghost that haunts your bank account. This issue is prevalent in both the United States of America and the UK. Debt, the one thing that unites us all. Take a moment to reflect on your own relationship with money, or lack thereof. Does it come and go quickly, like your paycheck on a Friday night? Has it ever made you feel vulnerable, leading you to fall for get-rich-quick schemes or buy courses promising financial success? If so, welcome to the club. We have jackets. My channel aims to address these topics, emphasizing that our perceptions of money are often more crucial than our ability to earn it. Because let's face it, money doesn't grow on trees, but it sure knows how to disappear. Our brains are wired in ways that can prevent us from being financially sensible. Thanks, evolution. Does it matter if you earn over 6 figures, if you end the year with nothing to show for it? Where's the disconnect? It's like being on a diet and gaining weight. How does that even happen? It's time to solve this mystery and explore a better framework for understanding money. One that's often missed in formal education. Because clearly, Money 101 wasn't on the curriculum. Part 2, what is money? Besides the thing that disappears faster than your phone battery, when you buy something from Amazon or get paid for your job, what does money signify in these transactions? Other than the fact that you're probably going to spend it all on coffee and avocado toast? Money is commonly defined as a medium of exchange, but it's more accurately an expression of value. And no, not the kind of value you get from a buy one, get one free pizza deal. You exchange money for products because you perceive their value to be equivalent to the money spent, like trading your hard-earned cash for a pair of shoes you'll wear once. This concept of money as value is important because it challenges the moral weight we often assign to money. Spoiler alert, money isn't the villain in your life story. We might think wealth comes from luck or exploitation, but it's about the value created. Unless you're a pirate, then it's definitely about the treasure. Money itself is not evil. It opens options and broadens horizons, like finally being able to afford guac at Chipotle. The choices you make with money reflect your morals, not the nature of money itself. So, if you're broke, blame your choices, not your wallet. So, if money represents value, how does this change for someone living paycheck to paycheck or buried in credit card debt? Hint, it's not by buying more lottery tickets. Understanding money as value is just the first step. The second step is not spending it all on things you don't need. The real question is, what is your relationship with money, and is it as complicated as your relationship status on Facebook? Part 3, production versus consumption, or as I like to call it, the battle of the wallet. Money flows in and out of your life, reflecting your income and expenses, hence production versus consumption. It's like a game of financial ping pong, but with fewer paddles and more stress. Most of us earn money through labor and spend it on consumption. You know, like buying that third coffee of the day because the first two just didn't cut it. Your net worth can indicate the balance between these two. Think of it as your financial report card, but without the parent-teacher conference. Returning to the debt statistics, consider your own consumption versus production. Spoiler alert, it's usually not pretty. How much of the money you've earned remains with you or is invested in assets? Or did it all go to that emergency shoe sale? Often, the issue lies in consumption, because who can resist a good deal on something you did not need in the first place? A study found that 78% of American workers live paycheck to paycheck, including those earning over $100,000 annually. Yes, even the ones who can afford avocado toast. This suggests a problem with consumption rather than production, because apparently money does grow on trees, but only if you plant them in your backyard. Fixing your consumption habits is crucial before addressing production, as shown by wealthy celebrities who have filed for bankruptcy, because even millionaires can blow through cash faster than you can say Mixel flicks. Part 4, the money trap, or as I like to call it, the how did I end up here saga. Living on the financial edge, always one paycheck away from broke, is the real rat race. It's like playing Monopoly, but you never pass go or collect $200. This stressful relationship with money becomes dangerous with more responsibilities. It's like juggling flaming swords while riding a unicycle. Losing a job or facing an unexpected expense can lead to financial turmoil. Think of it as a surprise party, but instead of cake, you get a bill. The first step in personal finance is to understand your spending habits by journaling expenses and creating a budget. Yes, it's as fun as it sounds. This helps you live below your means, allowing you to save and invest. Because who doesn't want to be the proud owner of a piggy bank? An emergency fund is also essential, typically covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. Think of it as your financial security blanket. Living below your means is crucial to avoid the financial edge. It's like dieting, but for your wallet. Cognitive biases, like the ostrich effect and hyperbolic discounting, can impact your financial decisions. Basically, your brain is playing tricks on you. Social proof and the desire to keep up with others can lead to overspending. Because who doesn't want to be the Joneses? Awareness of these tendencies helps you make better financial decisions and maybe, just maybe, avoid the "how did I end up here" saga. Part 5. Making money. Because who doesn't like money, right? Channels like Graham Stephan and Dave Ramsey teach frugality and long-term investing, which work for a wide audience. And by wide audience, I mean everyone who doesn't want to live on ramen noodles forever. However, increasing income through production can also be impactful. Think of it as the difference between making a sandwich and owning the deli. Entrepreneurs find problems in the market, create solutions, and sell them at scale. Basically, they're the superheroes of capitalism. This route isn't for everyone, but it's about maximizing the value you produce. Or as I like to call it, getting paid for being awesome. Whether through a business, YouTube channel, or other means, producing value at a large scale increases earnings. Because why settle for a slice when you can have the whole pie? Reflecting on your capabilities and the market's needs can guide your production efforts. Just don't spend too long reflecting, or you might miss the boat. Ultimately, balancing consumption with production is key to financial success. Or, as my grandma used to say, don't spend all your money on candy, save some for the dentist. Wow, you made it to the end. Either you really liked it or you fell asleep, and your subconscious mind told you to wake up, quit sleeping at the wheel, and get that moolah. If you found value in this video, hit the like button and subscribe. If you didn't, hit the like button anyway. It's good for your karma. Have a wonderful day, and remember, if all else fails, there's always cat videos. See you in the next video or on social media.